guys, it's Trisha Potter. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an at-home quarantine haircut. This is my boyfriend Cody, and I'll be cutting his hair for the very first time. We just have some Conair, is that how you said it?
Sure.
Conair hair clippers. We don't have hair cutting scissors, so we'll see how that goes for this top part.
Why don't you check in the box?
You have scissors in here? We have scissors, never mind. All right, so we're gonna get started. So, I mean, it's not perfect, but it took off some of the length.
Okay.
Look in the mirror, and then I'm gonna try to do the top part.
Definitely got me.
Oh no, I got you? I'm sorry, baby. I know I can cut you with it.
Oh yeah. It's not bad. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it's definitely cut. It's definitely.
There's some spots where it jabbed in where I didn't want it to jab in.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. That'll hurt.
I mean, I could try to fade that one in, but this is the part I know nothing about, but I've seen people cut hair before, so look at it. Are you nervous now? This is the part you're nervous for.
Yeah. At least you're not gonna be around my ears with the scissors.
No.
Knock it off. Give me a little go.
Okay, maybe leap of faith. Did I almost step you in the face?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
In the eye specifically.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Alright,
Send it.
so you're gonna talk me through this hard part.
Yeah, literally all you do.
So have that all the way up.
Yep.
Turn it upside down and go deet, 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 deet.
Pretend this is the line right here. This like.
Mm-hmm. Okay, she does a little wiggle.
That's what he does. I'm gonna make sure the long hair is following the.
Yeah, I'm
the
gonna
right side.
hold it like over like this.
Yep.
Oops. Let's pull this in.
Too aggressive on the wiggle.
Too aggressive?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now have you do a little spinny spin. Turn your head back so they can see.
Okay, let me try that again so maybe not moving my head.
Mhm.